We make the streams louder.
What's up guys, this is Jolin here, and today in this video, let's unbox and review the DOS Soundbox Pro Bluetooth speaker. DOS have been in this business for quite a long time now and have quite a few products in their list. So can they compete with some big players in this competitive market with their DOS Soundbox Pro? Let's have a look. Taking a look at the box, we can see that it comes in a white colored box with the image of the speaker and some specs mentioned at the top of the box. Opening up the box, we first get the user manual, then we get the speaker, aux cable and the micro USB cable for charging. Now getting back to the speaker, I purchased it from AliExpress and got the blue colored one here, but it's also available in black and grey color as well. This is also available on Amazon India. I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below, which will give you the most updated pricing in real time. Now to give you a physical overview, on the top left we have a series of buttons. Firstly, the add button, which allows you to connect 2 or more DOS speakers for a stereo effect. Then we have the volume up and volume down button, which while long pressing can also be used to skip to the next or the previous tracks. Then the play and the pause button, which can also be used to receive or reject calls, and the mode button. On the top right we have the extra bass and the power on off button. On the front we have the DOS branding and the LED strip around the front grille of the speaker. While on the back we have the micro USB port for charging, a reset hole, aux input and a micro SD card slot, which are all protected with a water resistant flap. As for the build quality, aesthetically the Soundbox Pro uses a fairly minimalistic and unassuming design that will fit in just about anywhere. There's a rubberized texture going around the entire enclosure of the speaker and it feels quite tough. The buttons are clicky and it feels quite responsive to the presses. It has an IPX5 rating for water resistant, which means this can take light water sprays but can't be submerged underwater. The speaker comes with a Bluetooth version 4.2 and I managed to walk away approximately 20 meters from where the speaker was placed without any obstacles until I could hear some hiccups in the music. The battery life looked good enough as it comes with a 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery. I managed to get around 10 hours of music playback before the battery died until I fully charged it back, which took me nearly 4 hours. If you don't want to connect your speaker through the Bluetooth, then you can also play music using the aux cable, which is provided in the box. And if you don't want to use your phone at all to play music, then you can still use the card slot on the back of the speaker by inserting a micro SD card to play music. The LED light on the speaker looks quite subtle. The mode button allows you to cycle through these solid colors. There's this red, blue, green and this smooth aqua looking color. To the right is the extra bass button and it's also used to change the pattern of LEDs, like you can have the lights to stay a solid color but also pulse it to the beat, stay on completely solid, or basically you can turn them off. Then there is this party mode which cycles through different colors. Now coming to the most important thing, that is the sound quality, and here are the samples for you guys to have a listen. Relative to its size, the Soundbox Pro has fairly impressive sound. The subwoofer provides a full bass that remains clear at both low and high volumes, and the 20 watts primary drivers keep trebles sounding sharp. And combined with the additional radiators, you get a surprisingly quantity and quality of sound. The mids sound clear and alive, so vocals stand out and the instruments are well pronounced. The highs are very clear and it doesn't get overpowered by the bass, but you might still notice some distortion in both the highs and the mids at higher volumes. But still, you won't have a problem filling bigger rooms with sound, and you won't hear the sound quality drop off considerably even if you crank up the volume. Now finally, as for my verdict, as far as affordable speakers go, the DOS Soundbox Pro is a great buy for anyone who wants portable sound. It's simple enough to start working for you from the moment you take it out of the box, and small enough to take essentially anywhere you go. For small get-togethers, parties, and filling up large rooms with music, it holds up wonderfully. Relative to its price point, it's hard to find many other portable speakers that can even begin to compete with the Pro. You would have to be willing to double your budget to find a setup that can do much more than the Soundbox Pro. So guys, that's it for the video, and I really hope you liked it. If you all did, hit the thumbs up button. Do smash that subscribe button if you all haven't, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.